Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Bong Lifestyle. Today I'll be talking about Cipla Excela Moisturizer for oily and acne prone skin. If you are looking for a moisturizer for your oily skin, then this video is for you. Keep watching. Basically it's a moisturizer from Cipla, a very renowned brand. This moisturizer does not contain any harmful toxins in it. It has such good ingredients and also has niacinamide, which is so good for acne skin. This also controls sebum secretion. It is non-comedogenic, and the best part of the moisturizer is it is paraben and fragrance free. Now talking about the packaging, this comes in a pumping bottle with 50 gram product which costs for 468 rupees. Now I have been using this product for quite a long time and this did amazing for my skin. So I definitely recommend you guys to give it a try. I hope you find this video a little informative. See you in my next video. Until then, take care.